guys come. So, we're gonna fly in a Payco today. Show you Payco. No, come on, go play no cart. Quiet! Hi guys, look at me. That's how you get a back massage. And guys, what about this side? What me? Come on. Oh, that's easy.
So we went to the waterfall today and it was beautiful. So here is also a little bit of the site. Maybe you can see.
It looks like the Amazon rainforest. It looks like the Amazon rainforest. Movie.
So walking and riding his bike, we are riding the bike mà we are camping. So at the start you did little area or if I can so down the waterfall. Down the beautiful waterfall. Mà một ngày nó nguyện đến the waterfall. This is the waterfall, so that's three waterfalls in a row. And that's someone in down there. That's what it looks like on the background. What?
Not on.
It is on.
Hold it steady and slow. Go up and down the stairs.
Hello everyone. So we are here and we are going to the one at the toilet mill. So that's the toilet mill. And that's by the toilet mill. And then that's the waterfall. Well, sort of like right. Yeah, I'm walking.
What did you say?
So we are walking at the toilet mill. So everyone, we are walking up here to the water fountain. So we are walking up the hill. And then run at the little cabin. So up here and then it means like look over here. That's the aisle where you can go women.
What's this one? What's this place?
And then you walk in.
What's this place?
And you can swim on my here. And then
What's
a better
this place?
look at it.
What's
It
this?
was a thing for collecting water.
The people swim in there.
You could pump water out of there.
The people swim in there. The people swim in there.
And then look in here. And then the cabin. And then look at the little water fire. And then the road. And then Daddy also feed in the aisle. And then look at the toilet. I'm walking at Daddy. So that's the toilet.
Here's the white. Here's the white, guys. over here. And then
So we are at the beach. This is the light beach. So we are going to walk on the hill.
and then we can go on the side.
Yeah.
And there's a playground over there.
The playground. This is where we went swimming on Wednesday.
The very first day we was here. The very first day we was here.
I don't know that in the film meant me type for that too. So we are walking on the beach.
Nice to get the good video.
I am.
Oh, actually is this water moving?
I don't know.
That was like 6.5 miles per hour.
So that's the beach. That's the beach. That's the beach. I like the rocky beach really too. I like really rocky.
Oh, I need to bring them back a walk. I wanna bring back a walk for bedtime.
Okay, we have to pick up a walk for bedtime.
That's called walk. Hi.
Yeah. One. I'm a little bit in the water. And I have my breathing thing. And then one. Over there. I would actually like to know women here because the water feel like really good. So we have to pick up a walk for bedtime. What do you think he would like? Can I bring that back? I assume in here because that
Oh,
is
that
really
was
pretty.
pretty. That was pretty cool. Nice, boss.
And then look at that one.
This is watch the door.
Okay, no. No hand in there. Who's playing volleyball?
Oh my!
No people playing volleyball.
Why are there so many people here?
I think they're having a party now.
Party. Dude, why are they having a party? So who's gonna play the bagel?
Clean them all campers on this grace.
I like this camper too. I think. I need you to figure out that. Sit up.
Yeah.
I won't be round this old town, getting more for a long, long time. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Well, I woke up, my baby was gone. Without her, don't need no home. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Gonna hit the road, start looking for the end of that long white line. Went to the bank, get my dough. I don't care where I go. Gonna push that rig till I push that girl out of my mind. If somebody wants to know what's become of this so-and-so, tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. New York City, old St. Joe, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This old rig is humming and rolling, she's doing fine. If somebody wants to know what's become of this so-and-so, tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that long white line. Tell them I'm somewhere looking for the end of that